Welcome to Touch Cloud channel. In this video we are going to see about initializer or constructor in Python. Let's jump into the session. Define constructor or initializer. Init. I should have reference variable. Constructor executed. Let me create one more object. Let me run the program. See here, constructor got executed whenever the object creation done, then member function call occurs. We can pass the arguments to the constructor. Let me define name, first name and last name in short. I am name, name. We should not pass three arguments, selfies and reference variable. So we should pass only two arguments. String. We run the program. See, I am Abdul Kalam. I am Albert Einstein. The constructor got executed with the parameters. Then my member call function occurs. We will see the usage of self in next video. Thank you.